The TeraFab project is a massive $20 billion joint venture between Tesla and SpaceX to build what could become the largest computer chip facility on Earth, making 50 times more AI chips than the entire world currently produces and pushing humanity toward a true galactic civilization. The facility, set to begin production in Austin, Texas, will create two types of chips. One to power Tesla's self-driving cars, robotaxis, and Optimus humanoid robots, and another designed to survive the extreme conditions of space. Musk believes the future of AI isn't on Earth at all, but in orbit. With plans already filed for satellite-based data centers and support from figures like Jensen Huang and Jeff Bezos, the idea of running AI systems in space is quickly shifting from theory to reality. Musk claims that within just a few years, space could become the cheapest and most efficient place to run AI, unlocking a new era of computing power beyond anything we've seen before. With early production targeted for next year and full-scale output by 2028, faster than industry norms, TeraFab isn't just a factory, it's a stepping stone toward humanity expanding beyond Earth and into the space.